Hey everybody, it's Jameson with Grizzly Industrial. Now, when I'm not in the Grizzly video studio putting together videos that you guys ask for, I'm here in my own personal shop, and that's part of the Riverbend Woodworks channel. Now, here in my shop, I build some pretty cool stuff, and this is part of the Grizzly Challenge. And every week, we're posting up new projects that you can follow along with step by step. Make them yourself, and then hashtag Grizzly Challenge, and share them on social media. We'll pick it up, and we'll share it with the world. Now, let's take a quick look at what I'm putting together here. Follow along step by step, see what you come up with. Change it as you see fit. This is just a starting point for a great gift idea or something for yourself. This, without further ado, is a decorative fly box. Well, I'm going to call this the table saw talk. I'm on the outfeed side of things right now, and honestly, I'm looking pretty happy with this. Looking? No. I am pretty happy with this. It is a fun project, simple build, and I hope this is a catalyst for you out there to just see what you can make in your shop. This is, whether you take this to the stream or not, it's not exactly the most practical thing, being, 3/4 inch thick oak. But whether you take it stream side or it's just a decorative piece that's a gift for a friend or family member that can showcase a bunch of flies that they would love to have, it's a great way to just get in the shop and build. Make it your own, take this idea and run with it. There's a million ways you can change this to make it something that's perfect for you. So don't forget, log on to grizzly.com, subliminal messaging right there, and get the machines you need, the tools you need right now, and take advantage of this opportunity to just create and have fun. And we would love it if you would share them with us on our Grizzly social pages, such as at Grizzly Industrial on Instagram or Grizzly Industrial on Facebook. Share them with us and hashtag grizzlytools. Boom, right there. And we want to share them with the world. So thank you for watching. Let's continue this and let's get on to the top. It was a ton of fun making this week's Grizzly Challenge, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with in your shop. So go ahead and hashtag Grizzly Challenge, and we'll share it with the world.